Hi all, this is just a very quick video to show you how to resize row height without going without using AutoFit. So for example, you can see there's an extra line in this cell. There's an extra line in this cell, right? And then there's no extra line in this cell. So let's say you want to auto fit, right? Normally you just highlight these 3 rows and then double click, right? Then it will auto fit the row heights. But you see this cell A3 doesn't have a line below. It will be a smaller lower height, right? So what you do is just check the row height of the maximum row height. So it's 48 pixels to 8.80 height. So what you do is select the rows, right click, select row height, right? Then just type into 8.80. Alright, now you have the same row height. So because this one it's the word is on the line, just format cell and then go to alignment, then go to top. Alright, see, now it's beautiful. Hope this helps. If you like this video, please give it a like and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.